Well, welcome back to the Handyman's Haven, and I welcome all you new people that are taking a look today at one of my videos, and a special thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you for your support. And today we're going to work on the Dodge here. I have a 2003 Dodge 3500, and we're going to put on some wind and rain deflectors over the windows so that I can have my windows open all day long, all night long, so I have constant ventilation in the truck, and yet I won't get rain in. Now, I had a set of these on a previous truck, and I loved them. They were great. Here in the Okanagan, where I live, it's very hot. You may live in a hot climate. Most places in the summer get so hot your vehicle you can't even get inside it. This way you can leave your windows cracked and don't have to worry about running out from your job site or your work area to close the windows when we have a sudden summer thunderstorm. So we're going to take a look at these in the box here and show you how to put them on. Okay, I've opened up the box, and here are the product right here, the set for the front and the rear windows in the truck. It comes with very good instructions. I'll go through the whole works as we install them. Here's my invoice, and whether you can read that or not. $179.15. That's delivered to my door by UPS, and that includes tax, and that's Canadian. 179 Canadian. That's pretty expensive, but they have a lifetime warranty, so it's the only set I'm ever going to have to buy. And I've had them previously, and I love them. So there are cheaper ones on the market, but you can go on the net and you can see the drawbacks to the cheaper ones. These are made by WeatherTeck. I'm not sponsored by WeatherTeck. I didn't receive a discount from WeatherTeck. I just went onto their site and I purchased a set that I knew would work for me. So we're going to go ahead and start putting these on, show you how they work. Okay, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to clean the inside of the track here where this is going. Just make sure all the dust is out of there. And we're going to do the back one as well, because we have a set for the back. Good. Okay, we have our front deflector here. The fuzz off it. And first thing you'll see here, they'll have a little sticker saying stop and read the instructions. The bottom edge down here goes on the outside of the weather strip. So, let me get rid of that. And we'll make sure we fit that in the way they suggest. Push that in nice and tight. And now on the back part, you're supposed to bow this out and drop it in, leaving about a ½ inch of space up here, and then start working it in and under the rubber weather strip here, and making sure you pull it towards you up against the... Now there's no adhesive here, it's all friction fit. Okay. That wasn't that hard. Now, the next thing we have to do is to set it in place using the window. I have to put the keys in and get the power windows going. Okay, we've got our rear deflector, and this one has some little strips of double-faced tape on it, so you want to peel that covering off. Just be careful taking this off. It's a warm day. The whole deflector is warm. Make sure it's pressed on tight, because I don't want to peel the tape away from the plastic. I want the sticky stuff to stay on the shield. So far, so good. This one wants both pieces to come off, so be a little careful. There you go. Okay. Trying to figure out which side goes in easier, and it looks like possibly the front, and then we can slide it in like so. Push it away from you when it's going in. Your tape doesn't stick, and then once it's in, pull it towards you and run your finger up inside here and make sure it's right up tight. Just making sure that tape is in good contact with the rubber. And there. I think we've got that. And we'll put our window up. Now here I just see something that they put a sticker on the inside, and you can't, I didn't see it before I installed it. I sure don't want to pull it off. I'll lose all my sticky. But WeatherTeck should put all your stickers on the outside. This is like an inventory sticker or something. And it Okay, WeatherTeck, if anybody's listening, here's the problem I had with the other side, is I installed it completely before I found this sticker here. Whatever it is, manufacturing date, I don't know what it is, but it would sure have been a lot nicer if that sticker sure would have been a lot nicer if that sticker was on the outside. And when you put it in, you realize that you've had to pry it out from in behind your weather stripping, and you can't take this off again because you ruin the sticky. Okay, just an improvement you can do. Thank you very much. I'll give you a look from the inside, and they're actually quite nice. It gives a little bit more of a shaded effect. I have the window down just to the edge of the deflector. As you can see, so right there, and then fully up. So now I can leave my window down a good, I would say 2 inches at the top here for, they're right there. Now I'm totally protected from rain, and yet I have my window open 2 inches for ventilation, so I'm really pleased with that, and that should help to keep the vehicle cool in the summertime. You're parked in a hot parking lot when you're shopping, so very happy with that. So there's your final look. We have the dark smoke glass on the canopy, the dark smoke glass on the extra cab. We have our wind and rain deflectors, and I love it. I love them. It looks factory. It doesn't stick out like a sore thumb. So good on you, WeatherTeck. You make a nice product.